his heart was placed. Leaving soldiers in quietness to rest. People say how amazing I've never faced defeat, but they don't see the enemies that lay me at his feet. They don't know that I'll keep running home when I fall down. They don't know who picks me up when no one is around. I drop my soul and cry for just a while. Stay inside this armor to warrior